In this video, I will show you how to use JSN-SR04T ultrasonic sensor with NodeMCU ESP8266 microcontroller. To show the distance value, I have used OLED display. This ultrasonic sensor will measure maximum distance of 4 meters. Please watch full video to make this project. Choose your board and proper port number. If you do not know the port number, see in Device Manager. Click Upload button to upload program to your board.